Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Brawl Stars Pass. So let's get into the video. So open up, launch the game and then go to the menu. So when you're on your menu here, so once you have opened up the game and you're on your menu here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this shop option here. So click on shop, and then when you get to shop option here, so here you will have the Brawl Pass. So simply what you're going to do, you're going to just select the pass that you wish to buy. So for example here, if I have this Brawl Pass, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on it. So when you click on it here, you can choose which one you want, so based on your budget. So for example, I'll just choose this one. So just click on this first option here. So I'm going to click on that amount. So what this will take me to the payment page here. So all I have to do now is simply make the payment via Google Play. So here I can select the payment method. So if you click on it, you can choose how you want to make the payment. So just choose a method that suits you, and then once you're done with that, all you have to do is hit on buy, and that's it. You will be able to buy the pass. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.